How to set up RAG Lab for free with DeepSeek. In this video, I will show you how to set up a retrieval augmented generation or RAG LLM for free using DeepSeek. This powerful way to combine your own data with a large language model to get smarter and more accurate answers. To set up RAG, all you have to do is to go to platform.deepseek.com/usage, in which you will be able to see the developer section right here. So DeepSeek provides an API that you can use for free with certain limits. So all you have to do is to click on API keys right here and copy your API key because we'll need it to connect the RAG pipeline. Next, you'll need a RAG setup. If you don't want to code from scratch, you can use tools like LangChain or Llama Index, both of which integrated easily with DeepSeek. You can install them in your environment by opening a terminal and typing pip install LangChain Llama Index. After installing, create a simple Python script, import DeepSeek as your LLM, and connect it with a local knowledge base. For example, a folder of documents or a CSV file. The RAG pipeline will first retrieve relevant text chunks and then send them to the DeepSeek model for better responses. So you can just enter or create a simple Python script right here and import DeepSeek as your LLM right here. And for testing, you can run your script and type in a query like summarize my document on climate change, or instead of a model guessing, it will pull real information from your documents and give a grounded answer. That's the power of RAG or RAG, combining search with generation. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel, and if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments below.